This image perfectly represents the article. Let me show you what the article is. Vacation versus ownership. That's what the article is about. Thinking of a place outside of the U.S. while Puerto Plata is beating Florida right now. So that's what the article is about. Let's look back at the image again. Time to own, just visiting. So there you go. Now we still have the option to have the images generated right there in the app. That'll be a $19 add-on. This is free. Now for those who are new to seeing this app, what it is you get 30 days of content. You see this script? Well, let me go ahead. You also get a teleprompter where if you're actually going to use the script, you can read it while you're recording yourself with a laptop. But the thing is all of these videos know what other videos have been created or will be created. It knows the other scripts that exist. So at different times, it will say, if you want to know more information about XYZ, go to video XYZ. Or this was covered in video such and such. Video 5. Can a $120,000 condo in Puerto Plata really make $1,800 a month? That's in video 5. So as you can see, the point is in each video, you're also promoting a different video. That's to help you get the people who come to your channel to watch more of your videos. So now that's 2 videos, that's 3 videos, that's 4 videos that is mentioned. You don't have to mention all of it. This is just, you could read this verbatim. They're written very well, but you can just freestyle. Just use this as a guide or use this as a template. Give you some ideas on how you might want to structure your own content. You could, matter of fact, all right, let's try something. You can copy this. You can go over here to the content creator. You can say create content. It's a strong script. Like you're already ahead of 90% of YouTube creators. 8.7 out of 10. Then it's going to go and tell you how to make it better. So that's cool. But remember, in case you don't know, now let's say you wanted to interject some of your own personal experience in here. Can you rewrite it with some of my additional personal experience? What personal experience do you want to include? You can answer casually or just bullet it out like this. The first trip. So it's actually helping you to structure it. And that's how this is written. So there you go. I'll rewrite your script into a high retention, story driven, YouTube optimized version. Keep your structure, which is already solid. Add emotional hooks, curiosity, and pacing. Blend your story in naturally, not forced. So this is what you have at your fingertips. Guess how much? Just $4.97 a month. $4.97 a month. And if you happen not to have liked that prompt for the image, you can choose these, which, they come with different articles as well. They're related and they're still under the same day. It's just a different angle, different variation of the same idea. And that is the YouTube channel bootcamp.